Okay, so this video is going to be a lot shorter, most likely. So now we're going to talk about angle-side relationships within a triangle. So I want you to think about something. I always use the same number, so there shouldn't be a giant surprise here. So let's say I had a triangle, all right? Creatively labeled triangle ABC. All right, now, when I look at this, all right, I want you to tell me what the biggest side is. But you can't do that right now, all right? Well, what if I told you this was 20, this was 21, and this was 22? Well, now you can tell me what the biggest side is. It's the 22, right? Okay, so side AC would be the biggest. Fine? All right. Could you then tell me what the biggest angle is? All right, well, now that's a little tricky. So what you have to remember is that you measure an angle based on how open it is. So the more open the angle is, the bigger it is. But think about the connection from these 2 points, right? The closer it is, this line's going to be smaller. The more open the angle is, it's going to be bigger. So when you look at this and you see, hey, this side AC is the longest at 22, that means this angle right here, angle B, or angle ABC or CBA, but in this case we can call it angle B, must be the biggest. All right, so since 22 is the most open side, angle B, the one opposite it, must be the biggest angle. All right, so angle B is the biggest. So with that same concept, which would be the smallest? Well, the smallest angle would be the one that's the least open, right? So the least open would be across from the side that's the smallest. So that would make angle C, since 20 is the smallest, and angle C is opposite the 20, angle C would be the smallest. And I guess you can call angle A the medianist, but that's not really a word. All right? So, same concept now, only reversed. Here we'll go with DEF. All right, now I'm going to do it reverse now. Now I'm going to give you the angle measurements. So let's say this guy here was 65. This guy was 55. Now really, I don't have to tell you the third one because you know the three angles of a triangle add up to 180. You can sit there and go 65 plus 55 is 120. Subtract from 180 and say that means this last guy's 60. But I'm going to give it to you. So now if you know that this is 60 degrees, 55 degrees, and 65 degrees, I'm going to ask you what side is the biggest. Well, here, the biggest angle was B because it was across from the biggest side. And that works both ways. So the biggest side is across from the biggest angle, and the biggest angle is across from the biggest side. So the biggest angle here is the 65. So opposite it, that would make this your biggest side, DF. And your smallest side is going to be across from the smallest angle. 55 is the smallest of the angles, so that makes DE your smallest side. And again, 60, you can go with medium. All right, or in the middle. Does that make sense? So biggest side across from biggest angle, smallest side across from smallest angle. So the longest side of a triangle is always opposite the largest angle. The smallest is across from the smallest. The medium is across from the medium. All right? And this is just a picture that we'll occasionally use, all right, where across from angle A is really side BC, but sometimes you call that lowercase side A. Don't worry about that right now, though. All right, so the longest side of a triangle is opposite the largest angle. The smallest side of a triangle is opposite the smallest angle, etc., etc. All right, I hope that makes sense. That is a pretty important concept in geometry, so it's worth it. All right? That's about it. All right. Thanks so much, guys. Look for your Castle Learning assignment to go live. I'll probably post it. Wait, what's today? Today's Tuesday. Yeah, I'm going to post it tomorrow. All right. But these concepts will be fair game on it. All right. Have a great rest of your day. And thanks for those of you who came in as part of the conference. And we'll do that periodically. All right. Have a great day. Bye.